Dare to compare. Chapter 1, page 2. Food services. In this chapter, you will use the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. For example, a dog is faster than an elephant. This is a comparative. And the superlative form of the adjective fast would be the fastest. The horse is the fastest of the three animals. You will also place adjectives in the correct order. In English, there's usually an order in which you place the adjectives. The general order of adjectives before a noun is as follows. You start with opinion, size, shape, condition, age, color, pattern, origin, material, purpose, and finally you put the noun. You will also express similarities and differences between things. Here's an example of similarity, so we can compare things and show their equality. For example, you could say, Sam is as old as Bob. You will also review adjectives of quantity and modifiers. Here are some examples of adjectives of quantity and modifiers. All, every, each, much, many, a lot of, lots of, few, little, a few, a little. You will also express personal opinions about food service. When you want to express your opinion, you can use one of the phrases that's illustrated here, like, in my opinion, in my view, in my experience, and so forth. In this chapter, you will also compare the past to today. Finally, here is the word bank. Let's see some of the words. Fast food, vendor, waiter service, takeout, cafeteria, food court,